Thinking innovation, that is my life's philosophy. All my life, I've created things with one singular thought: to be different, to think different, and to do different.
Design is not just about style, it's about understanding the world around us.
It is to be able to imagine not just for today, but always with an eye to the future.
What would the world be like if only we thought differently? Could we continue to create excellence in design, but with a sustainable future in mind?
A framework immaculately composed to be tough,
Elegant and still innovative.
The XUV400 is fast, fun, and futuristic. Mahindra Design stands for creating products that appeal to the heart of our customers, and we call this hardcore design. It's about bringing the emotion of car design and the toughness of our products together to create unforgettable experiences. Why we chose to collaborate with Rimzim Dadu is because her work is at the true cutting edge of design. It's futuristic, it's fun, it's beautiful. It blends technology with handcraft, and this is exactly our philosophy at Mahindra Design.